Dennis with Initial Ascent. We've been talking about our pack sacks, our IA pack sacks, and this is the small pack sack, and I keep my fire starting kit in there. My fire starting kit is really simple. It starts with the Pyro Putty dual arc lighter, and it's rechargeable, waterproof, windproof. You can get about 300 charges off of it. I love that product. Then you've got your Pyro Putty fire starter. It burns for like 6-7 minutes. It'll also burn underwater. So really cool product. Now for a backup, I actually use rim oil wipes. Those work really, really good. Not quite the burn time as the Pyro Putty, but those work really good. And then I've got some waterproof matches all sealed up if the lighter happens to fail.